If we do not need the Guru, the Buddha, the Dharma, and the Sangha, and we can find the inner Guru inside of ourselves, if we can find that, then Buddha would have given a 1-minute teaching, and then that's it. Find your inner Guru. Bye-bye. It's simple. Finding the inner Guru is a long, arduous, difficult, tumultuous journey. It's harder than if you have a Guru. To have a Guru and show you how to do things, to find your inner Guru, is easier than not having a Guru to show you your inner Guru. It's like doing business, you've never done it. How many times would you be cheated and lied to? But if you have a businessman, a businesswoman who knows what they're doing, and she shows you how to do it, you will save a lot of heartache. I mean, it's very simple. So if you want to find your own inner Guru by escaping, you will never find your inner Guru. Why? Because if you could find it, why did you join in the first place? Simple. I never said to any of my teachers, I resign, I'm going to go find my inner Guru. Never. Not once did I say it. Can you imagine me going to Saramji? Excuse me, sir. Here's my resignation letter. You can have all your initiations back. You can have your refuge back. You can have everything back. And I'm going to go find my inner Guru. I'll probably get a nice slap and say, okay, get lost now. How dare I be so arrogant to think like that after so many years? I spent 6 months with Saramji and it impacted my life. And I don't talk about him for long because it brings tears. And I don't want to cry like a little schoolgirl. I don't talk about Geshe for a long time because here I go again. I don't want to have tears of gratitude. Around here it's different. They make the Guru cry. And the Guru makes them cry. And it has nothing to do with gratitude. It has to do with, please let me keep my attachments. I was happy suffering the way I was. It's so different now. That's why it's so hard to get the higher teachings of Dharma to people these days. Initiations. And that's what I'm pushing for the pastors to push themselves so they can get the higher teachings so that it doesn't die off here. I'm pushing for that very much. That's why I always tell the pastors, please give up everything for others. Everything. Especially your comfort. Work tirelessly for others. That's the right way to go. See, when I say these words, it brings peace to your mind. It makes us happy. It makes the energy beautiful. Then we know from our heart that's the right way to do for others. If I say, kill them, don't do for others, get revenge, immediately the room become very hot, very angersome. The energy is very bad. We already know it's not good that way. So just by my words alone, it suits you. It makes you feel emotional. It makes you feel touched. Because inside you, you know that's the right way. Very simple. So therefore, if we can become a Buddha by finding our inner Guru on our own, Buddha just gave a 1-minute teaching. That's it. There's just one, Lamrim is 1 page. How easy is that? 1 page with a big fat word. Find your own Guru within yourself. See you later. No, it doesn't work that way. It doesn't. You want a teacher? You want to take refuge? Be ready for the journey of your life, which will bring you to a higher state of mind if you surrender and go all the way. And before you take refuge, you check your Guru out, because this is the guy you're going to be with for the rest of your life. Devotedly. You check him out. You don't simply just go flow with the minute, run with the motions, run with the feeling, run with the crowd. Check it out, because when it comes to spiritual practice, there's no crowd following. There's no herd following. You have to make your own individual decision. And if you're not ready to take refuge, you wait. And if I'm not the right person to take refuge with, that's fine. That doesn't matter. I'm not here to say before I die, oh, I'm dying, dear Buddha, I gave 60,000 refuges. Who cares? Who cares how many refuge I gave you? And anyway, I give you guys refuge what I get. I don't even get an ang pao. What do I get if I give you a refuge? You know how cheapskates some of you guys are. What do I get? More commitment, more responsibility. I got to be concerned about it. Got to watch over you. Got to teach you. Got to scold you. Got to compliment you. Got to send you gifts. Got to email you. Got to be in contact with you. In fact, when I give you refuge, it's more work for me. So don't think you're doing anyone a favor when you take refuge. If you take real refuge, you transform. And the impact will be powerful. I can dunk you in a bathtub of water and say, hey, now you're a Buddhist. Nothing happens. It's just water. You just got wet. You need a towel. I can pronounce some big words on you, Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha, you're a Buddhist now. I baptize you. Nothing happens. Nothing. Whether I bury you in baptized ground, consecrated ground, it doesn't matter. You're just ashes. Your mind has already left. None of that matters. What matters is right now. Now think about all that. So therefore, never think the Dharma, your Guru, the Sangha, the Buddha gives you any suffering. Impossible. It's like saying Panadol gives you fever. Impossible.